Today is Wednesday, April 16th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado power antenna for my friend Ernesto in California. This is a level 10 restoration, and this is video number 3 out of the 3-video set, whereby the predecessor video showed the bench layout of the discrete components that comprise the limiter, the motor, and some of the other ancillary components. And the second video is the pre-assembly state of the fully lubricated items, including the 5 gears that provide the movement of the system. And this unit is unique and specific to 1976, although it's part of the 1973 to 76 family. This is an auto winding and self-parking system for 1976 Cadillac Eldorado. So this is the third and final video, and this is the fully assembled embodiment, having done a level 10 restoration where everything has been disassembled down to the final screw and completely rebuilt. So I'm going to go ahead and energize the unit. And we'll be looking for the antenna to rise, and the first actuation is going to be the limiting base test for the limiting feature. And we see how the antenna rises approximately 10 inches and self-parks. This is actuated when you turn on the radio, and the radio knob is turned on, which also controls the volume obviously in the radio, but it also actuates and energizes the antenna. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a full rise, and this is facilitated by the modality switch in the dash. Now we'll go ahead and lower the unit, full retraction. And the unit self-parks. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do a full rise again as if I was actuating from the modality switch. And we'll do a full retraction. And the unit self-parks, and I'm going to go ahead and test the limiting base feature one last time. And that's the 10-inch rise. And a full retraction with self-parking. So this is the 1976 fully restored Cadillac Eldorado power antenna. This is from my friend Ernesto in California. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage parts from 1959 through 1976 for the Cadillacs, all the way through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, the original AM/FM 8-track Delco radios with Bluetooth augmentation, and these power antennas. Today is Wednesday, April 16th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.